Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got the easiest little dessert for you, and Blueberries is in right now, y'all. And I got my little blueberries here. They are frozen, just being honest, but I'm going to use these little suckers anyway, and they're going to be good. We are going to be making a blueberry cobbler. Now, you may have heard the Cuppa Cobbler. This is what it is. And for you that have not tried this, honey, get in your kitchen and get this little cobbler going. People's going to think you outdid yourself. You've been in there slaving away, honey, and you ain't. You can just kind of giggle and because you know what's up. This is so easy. I have just melted a stick of butter, and I have that melted in there. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of sugar on top of these little frozen blueberries. Get my fancy, old fancy Nancy here with my little Dollar Tree canister, but it does the job. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of sugar on that. Just mix that up. And we are about halfway through. That's how quick this is.
I like it already.
Yes, and this is one of your favorites. I've done cherry cobbler. I've done them all kind of way. You can also, if you don't have fresh blueberries, frozen blueberries or nothing like that, you can actually use pie filling. So remember that. You can just get your pie filling out the store. Let's see. Let's do my sugar first. So I'm gonna do a cup of sugar. You know, a cup of sugar, 1 cup. Then we can do a cup of self-rising flour. It's got all the stuff in it, so you ain't got to worry about it. I probably should have dug in this first, but sugar just slid right out. All right, 1 cup self-rising flour. Now I'm gonna just give this a little stir, just to get my little dry ingredients mixed up. You don't have to. I just did. Now, just 1 cup of whole milk. So cup. That's what it's called.
I can remember all this.
Yes, a cup. Yeah, just one of it, one of everything. Then we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and of course the 1 stick of butter. 1. Give that a little stir, and it just makes a beautiful crust on top. Just look how easy. Russell, you could make this in a jiffy. You could do it too. Y'all, I'm so proud of James Russell. I come home the other night, honey, he done cracked open a jar of my spaghetti sauce and had made a little concoction with peppers and onions and that sauce, some link sauce, or some brats, wasn't it? The Italian
sausage.
Italian sausage, honey, it was delicious. I said, Lord, look at you showing out, doing big things. All right, this is
I'm
what
learning something.
He is. He really is. He's never, ever got in the kitchen. Never. So,
well, listen, when you married to a professional,
I'm not a professional.
You don't. All right, if you wanted to play baseball and you was married to a major league baseball player, you don't really need to worry about no baseball. You know what I mean? That's how I see that. But I've always had the food just show up, and I hadn't ever really worried about where it come from. But I have learned to take kind of an interest.
He has,
and it is interesting. Y'all, it really is.
I'm so proud of him. I'm just.
I was gonna grill the brats, and we have so many tomatoes, y'all. We just have these little. We have so many cherry tomatoes, and you can't eat with so many salads. It's just like. And I'm like, okay, well, what can I do with these cherry tomatoes? So I decided to cook the sausages and peppers and onions and put them little tomatoes in there with it with a little bit of garlic, and that jarred sauce. Oh Lord,
it was good.
Oh my goodness, that canning video made that spaghetti sauce, y'all. Y'all ought to go back and look at that video. That thing, ooh.
And I told him, I said, and I may have told y'all before, I said, I don't even know you anymore. I don't even know you. All right, in this goes, we're just going to pour this right on that on top of that that butter, that melted butter. Now, if you want to just butter your dish and throw this butter in here, you can do that too, but you don't have to. All right, now we gotta get all this goodness out here because that's that little crunchy little cobbler top.
Yummy,
honey.
yummy.
It is delicious. All right, now I'm getting it all. I'm getting it all. All right, you're not supposed to mix it. You don't have to mix it. Now you just put your little blueberries right on top. And like magic, that crust is just gonna come right on top of them blueberries and make you the prettiest cobbler. Now I do have, I've got 3 cups of blueberries here. If you only got 2 cups, go with 2 cups. If you got 4 cups, have at it. But, and my little blueberries are frozen, so that's what it looks like. And you can sprinkle with a little cinnamon if you want to. I might sprinkle with a little cinnamon before I put it in the oven. But got my oven preheated to 350, and this is going to cook about 45 minutes. So I think I'm going to sprinkle a little cinnamon on top and throw her in the oven. I'll let you know what she looks like when it's done. There she is. Blueberry cobbler. Yummy, yummy.
Man, that looks delicious.
It smells so good. She's bubbling up. You ready to give this a little taste? We're going to let it cool down just a minute.
I'm ready.
It's hotter than a $2 pistol right now. All right. Let's
let it cool.
Yeah, we're going to let it cool for just a minute, and then we'll be back with a little taste. All right, y'all, it is cobbler time.
Cobbler time.
Yes.
I'm
Out
gonna get
the
in there with it.
oven and down the hatch, honey.
My whipped cream is melting, y'all.
Can't have that. Got to get up in there and get that whipped cream.
Ooh.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
I can't believe how easy that was.
It's so easy. I'm telling you, if you're new in the kitchen, honey, this is
That
the
is
one.
fantastic.
This is the one to pull out on everybody.
You be done fooled them, y'all.
Yes.
Y'all be done tricked somebody with these.
Just show out.
It's fantastic.
It's good.
That crust done come up through them blueberries. Man, I can't
Like
tell you.
magic.
It is fantastic.
Just like magic, and you can use whatever fruit you want. Blueberries happen to be in season right now. That's what you want to hear right there.
Oh my goodness.
So good. And but you can change this up. Peach cobbler, any kind of cobbler you want. Cherry cobbler.
I can't tell you how that. That's fantastic.
I know. I've been eating on this for years, honey. I know.
Try all about it.
I know. I done had a little something.
Oh, have you?
Oh yeah.
I didn't know you sampled it.
Listen, I was like checking the mirror. My mom had blue teeth.
Ah, look at you.
I had blueberries all up in my teeth. It's good.
Yeah, that's what's up. Man,
Yes.
y'all. I'm telling you, goodness. They won't know. They will not know. We won't tell them.
We won't tell them.
But, Impress somebody with that one.
I'm telling you, they will think you.
They'll be like, where in the world did you learn how to make
learned to
this?
cook.
That's exactly right. They will be wondering where you learn how to make this one. For real.
And like I told you before, when I put them in, I used my frozen berries. I didn't even let them thaw or anything in it.
We did pick them last year, though.
We did. We picked them at Holcomb's
Farm and Honey Path.
Path, and they're still just as delicious
They are.
as
They're
when
fantastic.
I put them in the freezer.
Yeah, they really are.
They are. But anyway, y'all, I had a gnat on my nose.
Look at you.
I know. I
Yeah,
tell you
that ain't
what,
good for
bugs. No,
You can't open the door, y'all.
you can't open
They
the
just
door.
rush
You
inside.
can't.
Yeah.
No. But give it a try. If you try it and holler, let us know what you think of it.
Man. Try this one for real. Y'all be done impress somebody with that
Yes.
recipe.
Throw your little ice cream on top.
Yeah.
And I like it even when it gets cold. I do. I know
I
you
probably warm
prefer
it
it hot.
But I like the cold or the Cool Whip or ice cream,
Something
cool
cool
on
on
top
there.
of it that'll melt with it warm. Man,
I like it any old kind of way.
yeah, that's true. I wouldn't complain about it even cold. I really
No.
wouldn't.
Anyway, thank y'all for watching it.
Yes, we
Watching
appreciate
us.
it. Yeah.
We certainly do. And like I said, if you try it, holler back. Let us know what you think
Please
of
do.
it.
We enjoy hearing.
Yes, we sure do.
Yeah.
And until next time.
Peace.